see third, fourth. So all you first make sure you copy this module first before you use tab. So come back to app module.ts. I'm just going to paste it here and copy this and paste it inside imports. Okay, so once this is done, then you can start using this example. So what we will do, we'll just use this first one which we are getting here. Just come to click this, and here you can see mat tab group. Inside that we have three things. So I'll just copy this, alright, and paste it inside your HTML here. So what I'll do, I'll remove this image, the doc image, and inside mat content I'll just paste it here. So we have only two, so I'll remove this two, and the first one will be login and second one will be register here. Alright, let me just save all of this file, save all, and if you see our page, we are getting the tab, but still it is not good looking. So what I'll do now, I'll just remove this whole content, and to remove this I'll remove this whole p tag, and this one also you can remove this. Okay, so mat cut action is not required for now, and save it. Alright, so now what we need is we need input for login and register. So I'll add input. So now to add input, you come to Angular material and you can see input over here, right? So this is the input. So make sure first you input this module here. I'm just going to do it, paste it below this and copy this, paste it next to this. Alright, so now you can use input, and I'll just click on this, and I'm not going to use form, I'm just copy paste this mat form field. Alright, so this will be, as you can see, we have two tab, and this is first tab content, this is second tab content. So what I'll do, just delete this and press enter. Same thing, delete this and enter. So first login you will design. So I edit inside login. Alright, this is login. You can give some padding here, or else you can just click and format document also. Alright, now instead of favorite food, I'm going to write email here. Okay, and the same thing, there's no value, but this placeholder will be email. Alright, you can give anything. Same thing for the password, I'm going to give label password, and placeholder will be password. Alright, and one more thing, the input type also we have to mention. So you can give it sorry, this is text area. Okay, sorry, I'm going to use input for this both the case, just like how we are using on here. So I'll delete this, and type will be password. Alright, and this input type will be email. Alright, so we got all this thing correct. Let me just save it. Sorry, we have to save all the file. And if you come to our app, which is not working properly, did we get any error here? No. And if you come and check back here, input type email, mat input, value is correct. Okay, something is wrong. Let me just save it again. I don't know, something is wrong with the browser or something. Now as we can see, now we got this thing, but this is not how we want it. We want one below another. So to do that, what you can do here is if you come back to our example app here, we are adding one after another, but this should also add one after another, but we are not getting. So what you can do, you can keep it inside div also, just like this. Alright, let me just add div for this one also, and this should do the work. As you can see, now we are getting it. Or maybe we can change the, sorry, I'm just changing it back, change the width. Alright, change the width of this example full width. If you come back to CSS, or we didn't import the width, so make sure you import this style also. I'm just copy this and paste it here. Okay, I'll save this, and if you come back here, yep, this look way better than before. Alright, so we got email, and if you type password, both we got. Now we need button here. So after this, where is our tab? This is a tab. Yeah, after this we can add button here, so I'll add button. Alright, and for button, what you can do here is login. So for button style, what you can do here is come back to button in Angular material. There you can choose a lot of button here. I'll go with the primary. So to get the primary, what you can do is copy and paste this one. Okay, this is primary, and paste it here, and you can change this to login here. Okay, and I don't know, this is some issue. I'm saving it again, and the class also I'm going to make it big actually. Yeah, so if this is not applying, I'll just change class. So met button here. Alright, so this is met button. I'll just copy this inside CSS, and you can create the class. Alright, and this will be width will be 100%, text color will be white. Alright, and then background will be, if you remember last time we have this color, I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. Alright, so now I'll save all the file, and let's see what is happening here. Okay, but this look good. I think we need little bit of height, so height equal to, so let me just make it 50 pixel, actually 50 pixel here. It's too large, let me make it 40. Yeah, you can go with this, or you can just go with this Angular material also. So what you can do here is, yep, you can go with this, or it's up to you, totally up to you, but I'm using this one for now. We'll go with this, and I need some margin for this also, so I'll add margin. So this, to add margin, what you can do here is come back to this HTML, and we are using this class format form fill. I'll add format form fill, which is, sorry, example full width. So margin top 10 pixel here. Same thing for button, I'll add margin top 10 pixel. Alright, okay, this look better. Now what we'll do, we'll change this, we remove this image first, come back to HTML, and I'm going to delete this image, and I'll add login or register, and this instead of drop grid, it will be Angular tutorial. Okay, we can save this, and there you go, we got login button, login, and then register we can do it in the next one. Oops, this one should be smaller, I can make it. Alright, so in the next video I'll explain the register and the functionality part. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.